Hey, my name is Merritt, and I wanted to start a YouTube channel. Mainly about just me working on cars, racing them pretty soon, playing music, just kind of have y'all get a peek at my life, see what's going on. Right now I'm inside a shop that my parents own. They let me work out of it. I bought a race car that they let me surprisingly work on in here. I guess I make up for it because I work on all their cars, so it's fine. It's a good trade-off. I got my car pulled in now just to check it over. I'll let a friend borrow it for a while. Yeah, I just wanted to make a channel about me wanting to start racing and stuff and owning my own business here pretty soon. So if it's boring, sorry. I'm just gonna do the best I can to make it entertaining. Yeah, hope y'all enjoy it.
No! It's okay.
Alright, I got the majority of my shop cleaned up. It's not perfect, but it's a lot cleaner than it was. The floor is absolutely, actually swept the floor this time. So I wanted to kind of explain this thing. I got this in June of 2018, or 2019, I'm sorry, this year. And it's apparently an 01, or it was built in 01. And he raced it on road courses. Just the way it's set up, you can tell it's for road course. If it was for asphalt or something else, the wheels would be cambered in the same. It has a Yamaha FJ1200 cc 4-cylinder motorcycle engine, little 5-speed transmission, sequential, and it needs some work. I'm trying to get it to run correctly. It's not running right, or doesn't want to run at all. It's got brand new carbs, brand new fuel system, fuel tank, all that stuff, and it still just will not run. So I'm gonna take it to some place and they're gonna fix it for me because I'm stumped. So there's one of my projects. The other one is a little go-kart that I got from a buddy of mine that goes to my church. He asked me if I wanted a go-kart frame, and I said absolutely. I will definitely build something. Luckily it came with the engine already. It's a little 6.5 horsepower. I think I'm going to put like a Predator 212 or even the 450. I think that'd be kind of a cool little swap. I'm trying to find wheels for it. They came with one, but it was completely just torn up. And trying to find matching ones would be almost impossible. So I'm just going to get new tires. I'm probably going to move the steering stuff like to the center and make it just a single seater, because me and a buddy of mine cannot fit on that at all. The other cool thing about this go-kart was apparently it sat out in the rain forever, and whenever I got it, pulled it in the house, or put it in here, put some fuel in it, and cranks right up. Yep, there's going to be lots of fun engine swaps and builds in here, but first thing I want to get done is that race car and the go-kart. And there's a track out in Ennis, Big O Speedway, I think. It was 85 Speedway. And they actually do go-kart racing, so I figured that'd be kind of a fun thing to do, is just build the go-kart and go race it on the tiny little bull ring track they got. So Well, I guess that's it for this episode. Sorry it was kind of short, but it's the pilot episode. Check out my Instagram. It's DJ Merritt if you want to follow me. I'll probably follow you back. Yeah. Like and subscribe and all that stuff that people on YouTube say. Thanks for watching.